Once you're then ready, you can then click Send Options. You can then click Schedule Broadcast. You're going to have 4 dialogues that you want to go through. The first is creating your broadcast archive. Now this is going to make your email public to the search engines. Now if you don't want to have it public to the search engines, you can disable your broadcast archive for this email. It's here that you can also have your email directly sent to your social media such as Facebook and or Twitter. Once you've completed this dialog box, you can then click Apply. You can then click Edit. Now if you have other lists, you can have this email sent to the other individuals on those lists. And to do that, in some cases, all you'll need to do is to click this button that says Include All Lists. If you want to make sure that individuals on other lists are excluded, you can exclude all lists or exclude individual lists. Once you have the lists included in the email that you want to have receive this message, you can then click Apply. You can then schedule your message. So what you can do is you can then click this Edit button. You can then determine when you want the email to be sent. If you just want it to be sent right now, you don't have to do anything in terms of a schedule. But if you want to schedule it for a specific time, you can do that. And all you'll need to do then is change your email to the time that you want the email to be sent. Once you do that, you can then click Apply. Now, if you want to tag your automations, this is the point at which you're going to be using your campaigns. And we will discuss this in a later video. You then can decide whether or not you want to track clicks from this particular email, and then you can have the email's progress sent to you by your email. And once you've determined that your broadcast email is ready to be sent, you can then click Schedule Message. This email will then be ready to send to your subscribers. Now, one thing that you can do is you can then copy this email. You can copy this email to a different list if you want to send it that way, or you can go back into your settings. Now, if you decide that what you want to do is you want to send the email now, you can click this Settings button. You can then go back to when you want this to be sent. You can make this time closer to the time you want it to be sent. You can then click Apply. You can then click Schedule. And then the email will go out at the point at which it's time to send. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.